Hi, my name is Dominic Phillips, and I have been requested by your company, Blue Buffalo, to answer the question, what are the core components of a virtual machine, and how can a virtual machine be used in a business setting? The core components of a virtual machine are the hypervisor, which the hypervisor enables virtualization and is how you allocate resources to virtual machines. Some hypervisors are bare metal, which sit directly on top of the hardware. The, some of these include VMware, and there's hosted hypervisors which sit on an already existing operating system, such as my laptop. And this hypervisor can include something like Oracle Box or VMware workstations. And they are to manage the resources that a virtual machine uses and enables it to run. The next component is the virtual machine hardware. A virtual machine gets all its hardware from pre-existing hardware. If I were to run a virtual machine on my computer would share resources between the operating system that is already on it and the virtual machine that I'm running on my computer. The next component is the operating system. If I were running a virtual machine on my laptop, I could run either a Windows operating system, which is what I currently run on my laptop, or I could choose from a plethora of different operating systems, such as Linux, Mac OS, or even Google OS. And then there's the management tools. These management tools are used for a virtual machine, are used to monitor how a VM runs, apply the necessary hardware, and schedule tasks such as shutting off the virtual machine at a certain time of day. And some management tools are used in Microsoft Azure. Now, how can a virtual machine be used in a business setting? Well, you could use it to replace your physical servers. Instead of having all the power and all that hardware and money be used in physical servers, you can have virtual servers on just one. You can have many on one, or you can have one or two on one server. This allows you to prepare for disaster recovery and to better efficiently run your company. A virtual machine can include having all your users already have, instead of needing all the hardware for your users to use computers, you just need to have hardware from a cloud data center such as Microsoft Azure. And this is my knowledge of a virtual machine and how it can be used in a business setting. Thank you for your time.